Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to swap out the battery in your 2022 to 2025 Honda Civic key fob. This key fob takes one CR2032 battery, and if you need one, we'll provide a link in the description below where you can pick one up. So we will be using a small flathead screwdriver to help remove the battery, but the first thing we need to do is remove the physical key. So to do that, we press the button on the side here while also pressing up on the physical key, and we can remove the key. Next, we want to take this wide part of your physical key and you can kind of wedge it inside this opening and then gently twist and your key fob will come apart. Now don't have to use the flathead screwdriver, but sometimes it does help just to try to get underneath the battery so you can pry it up. So we'll gently pry it up. You can remove the old battery, get your new battery, place it in with the positive side facing up. Then we'll grab the back of our key fob, snap it all back together, replace our physical key, and we're good to go. So hopefully this video helped you out in swapping out the battery in your key fob. If it did, leave us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.